Okay.
Why are we so close together?
Okay, so I can get you guys both on. It's going.
Ready?
Yeah.
I don't want to do it. No, don't do it.
Do you guys want to go one at a time?
2.
Wait.
Just do it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, buddy. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, what do I do? What do I do?
Don't spit there. Don't spit there.
I'm spitting in the rocks.
I knew that was gonna come. I thought you knew the trick.
Doesn't work.
Want to do it again?
Mm-mm.
Oh, it's still coming out.
I hate cold water.